I'm Macey and I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to read The Snoring Dad by Dorothy Joy San Jose. Dylan had always wondered, why do I hear bees at night? The next morning he asked his mom, Mom, are there bees at night in your room? His mom smiled and said, Oh, it must be your dad snoring. But my friend says that if I snore, that means I am lazy. Dylan said, So is Dad lazy? His mother smiled and said, Dylan, your dad works for all of us. He works so we can buy things we need like food and pay for electricity and water. Dad is such a hard-working man. I think he is so tired so he snores when he sleeps. Dylan hugged his mom and said, I'm sorry, Mom. When Dad wakes up, I will give him my sweetest hug ever. So, you want some answers? You want some questions? Clap your hands if you're ready for the question. Activity 1. Answer the questions below about the story you have just read. Who are the characters in the story? Color them. So I already colored them. So this is the characters in the story. It's Mom, Dad, and Dylan. Number 2. When Dylan said, when Dad wakes up, I will give him his sweetest hug ever. How did Dylan feel about his dad? Encircle the word. This was it. That. And I just happy. Dylan asked his mother, are there bees at night in your room? What was he feeling? Encircle the sentence. It was this because he doesn't know. Because look at this. Can you see this? It's him. Look at his mouth. Okay, there's number 4 here. Wait. Number 4, Dylan's mother said, your dad is such a hardworking man. How did he feel about Dylan's dad? And circle the correct sentence. I circled this. Okay, remember, express your love to your parents at all times. Today I'm going to write a letter for my mom and dad. Look, because it says here, paste a picture of your mother or father in the frame. Then write a thank you note to them. Write to express your love for them. Dear Dad and Mom, I love you. Mom, Dad's best gift ever. Mom's best gift ever. You are a good mom and dad. Here is another I love you. Love, Macey. Look at this. I even write it. Look. You read it. Dear Mom and Dad, I love you. Dad's best gift ever. Mom's best gift ever. You are a good mom and dad. Wait a sec. Sorry that I put Y. It's like you're the best day. I'll just change it into Dad. Where's it? Dad. Here is another I love you. But it can't fit.
It's okay.
Thanks.
So this is the picture.
But it can't fit.
It's okay. We'll just take a picture. We're not gonna close it. So this is a picture of Mom, me, and Daddy. Okay, you show it.
This is the picture of
You show it like that.
me.
One more. Ready, set, go.
This is the picture of me and
1, 2, 3, go. What? No.
this is the picture of me, Mom, and Daddy. Look, it's so cute. And there's even that. Yay. Now it's time to paste. Give me some glue. Don't forget to say I love you to your mom and dad. Love you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Type in YouTube MaceyReads.com.